Hey y'all, so today we finna get ready and make some hot honey lemon pepper shrimp tacos. Yep, you heard that. So we got some sriracha here, Louisiana hot sauce, some honey, slap your mama, ranch seasoning back there, and then we got some lemon pepper seasoning, a little Old Bay, and we got some buttermilk. So I do have an avocado right here. I will be using it later on in the video. You don't have to, that is optional, but please make sure that you use unsalted butter because we're going to make a sauce. Okay, so let's go ahead and get it started. Make sure that your shrimp are nice and cleaned and peeled, and then get that buttermilk. Make sure that you get your seasonings, and don't ask me for no damn measurements because I don't know. Okay, just go into your ancestors tell you to stop. And I like to use a lot of Louisiana hot sauce. Use a lot, okay, and a little sriracha as well. Make sure that is mixed in thoroughly and incorporated into that buttermilk because we're gonna get ready and dip them scrimps. Put them scrimps up in there and leave this in for about 20 to 30 minutes. I like to put mine in the refrigerator as well. Alright, so then you're going to go ahead and get your seasoning and your flour, and yes, I put it in the bag like the old school, and get it nice and fried to it's golden brown. You know that it doesn't take that long to cook shrimp, okay, so keep an eye on it. And yummy. So we got our shrimp ready, and we're going to get ready to make our sauce. Your hot sauce, your sriracha sauce, your honey, and that unsalted ass butter. Stir, stir, stir. And once that's done, go ahead and give it a good old stir, and bam! This was just too yummy, y'all. Don't forget your ranch, and I had to wash it down with my Jarritos.